But everyone, thank you again for watching my videos. Please like, comment, subscribe. The more followers I have, the more videos I'll be able to possibly put out, depending on how much stuff I have. After this, I am working on the Cobra 3 for the dual ace up on top. And then I have a video for the wheels coming up as well. So I'm having a problem with the Cobra 3. So stay tuned and you will see more videos. Thank you again. Bye. Okay. So we got the Allen key, so now we're gonna remove the bolts holding it in. There's only two. And it is the second to the smallest Allen key, or Allen wrench. We're gonna pull it out. There is some of the red, I'll bring you closer. The red tight, or it's like glue that they put on so it doesn't fall off. So just kind of wiggle it and it should just kind of come right off. There we go. Now we will take the new one. And plug it right in. I'm actually going to first remove some of this. Almost got it, sorry. Okay, there we go. It's off. Now we'll plug this in. There we go. There we go, it's all the way in. Then we're gonna put it back into place. And then put the bolts right back in. There we go. Here's the old one. I don't know what's wrong with it or whatever, but we're just gonna put it over there and take the new one out. Gonna have to take all these blue locks off. They do have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm just gonna flip it around. And then push all these in. Try to push them in together. Get them all in there, then push. I messed up with that first one. Okay, just make sure they're all there. After that, push these blue locks back in. Because if you don't have them, there is a possibility that if these things get pushed in while printing, it will just come out. And last one. Oh. This one isn't wanting this lock on it. There we go. Got it. And now you just need to line it up, and there we go. From here, let's put this cover back on. And we need to take the blue locks off the front to do that, or we don't have to. So this is the buffer. It's a buffer tube. And this just says input VO4. Not really sure what this board does. Someone a lot smarter probably knows. I'm not able to find it, and I don't remember seeing what they sent me, so I'll look and see if I can find something on this one and put it in the inside the notes afterwards. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rookie 3D Prints, and in this video I will be replacing one of the boards, and then this part for the Ace Pro. And in the process, I dropped the small spring while replacing the part, or moving it, and yeah, I'm gonna replace that too. So let's get started. We're gonna remove this piece first. I know I've only had one screw in it because it was giving me really... The reason why I've had problems is that I would have jams up in here and filament would get all tangled up. So they sent me these replacements. Let's see if that hopefully that fixes it. Setting up the camera really quick. Let's get the fun part down first, removing this. I'm just going kind of slow. Probably there's an easier way, I'm not sure. There we go, there's one, there's two. There we go. And the board that we're going to be replacing is right underneath it. Okay, I'll be right back when I get the correct Allen. Okay, we're going to have these in place. And then we're just going to slide this on, just make sure that all those blue tabs are lined up enough, and then this should just fall right into place as so. Like I said, I only have one screw right now. So, put that back up on. Done. That is how you replace the filament tube. I'll have to look at the names. I'll be right back.